Alexa! Alexa! Shut the fuck up! You taught me that.
Should be fine. Hello. Hi, guys. This feels different. I don't know. I've got peering eyes. Charming. It's Christmas time. It's almost as if I haven't made a video for 4 weeks. Yay, fun. As no one's in the house except for a bitch, the dog, and its puppy, which is sleeping, so I can't show you, Malcolm, but here is a picture. A little bit of scenery. A little bit of dynamic. Bit sensual. It's like I'm taking you out to dinner. I love you. So, all I wanted to say is Merry Christmas. I haven't been making a lot of videos, but I am planning them, don't worry. I've got one about the iPhone 10 and how we're up to the iPhone 13 now, and people don't need new phones. My girlfriend's got an iPhone 11 and she's doing fine. She doesn't even know what a phone is. She uses a pager. It's not very nice. So yeah, so I've got that, and we've also got some Mac videos coming. One with the G5, another one with a 2012 unibody. So look forward to that. What I'm doing at the moment, the reason why I haven't been making any videos is because I'm working on a film festival. Yippee! I'm not going to say a lot here, but we do have a YouTube channel, we do have a Facebook, we do have a Twitter, I think, and we also do have an Instagram, so I'm going to link them all down below. I'll talk more about it when more stuff comes up, but here's the logo, and it's called Homebrew. What have I been getting up to apart from that? Pokemon. That's literally it. So I've been playing Let's Go, and I just got Shine and Pearl. My girlfriend caught a Bidoof. She called it Doug. Bless her. I love you. Go away. Oh dear. I'm not doing well today. But anyway, apart from that, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. I don't know if I'm going to be making any big videos before the New Year because I'm at my dad's. I just wanted to say this just in case I didn't have a chance to make a video before, well, now. And apart from that, take care and have a Happy New Year. I've said that 3 times now. Oh God, this is not scripted at all, as opposed to any other video. But is it still? I don't know if it's still recording. That's bad. We shall see. Yikes. At least I've got the audio recording. That doesn't make any sense.